Want to edit videos on your PC using Capcut? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Capcut on Windows in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Go to the official Capcut website. Open your browser and type www.capcut.com in the address bar. Then, press Enter. Step 2. Download the Capcut PC version. On the home page, click the Download for Windows button. The download will start automatically. Step 3. Install Capcut on your PC. Once the file is downloaded, double-click on it to open the installer. A setup window will appear. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Launch Capcut. After installation, click Start Now to open Capcut. You can now import videos, add effects, and start editing like a pro. And that's it. You've successfully installed Capcut on your PC. In the next video, I'll show you a complete interface overview and how to start your first project. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials. See you in the next video.